Hi guys, so today I'm sharing a flan recipe. This flan can be made for gatherings, holidays, basically at any time.
This is one of our kids' favorite dessert. That guy.
Ooh. Okay, yeah.
He can't wait to eat some. See? He can't wait to eat some. It's his favorite.
Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, let's go through the ingredients really quick. We're gonna need evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, eggs, and sugar. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees. We're gonna start by melting the sugar. And use a wooden spoon. See how the sugar's melting already? Alright guys, the sugar's ready. Pour it directly into the oven safe container. Now if you have a different container than mine, usually move it around before it gets cold. Okay, now we move on to the next step. Okay guys, so in the blender, we're gonna add the evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, and the eggs. And blend for 1 minute. So now we pour the mixture into the container. And by this time, your oven should already be preheated. Alright guys, so we're gonna cover this really well. Alright guys, so we're gonna need another oven safe container. We're gonna place our flan mixture container in here. I'm gonna place a little bit to the side. And this container is bigger than this, so I'm gonna add, it's a lot easier to add the water. I'm gonna add the boiling water. And I'm gonna make sure that this container is covered at least halfway with the hot water. Okay, there we go. So now we're gonna place it in the middle. And we're gonna place it really carefully in the oven using our oven mitts. So we're gonna place it in the center. We're gonna bake it for about an hour. We're just gonna make sure flan is nice and firm, like this. So we're just gonna let it sit here for an hour, and then we're gonna cover it again and set it in the fridge for about 3 hours minimum, or overnight. Alright guys, so it's been already 3 hours. Now we're gonna go through the sides like this with a knife or spatula. This is gonna help the flan get loosened from the container. Okay. And then you're gonna use a plain old plate. You're just gonna place it on top, and then you're gonna flip it really quick. And then the flan just dropped already, and you just remove the container. And there's your flan. Alright, so my boys are gonna try and see if they like it. Now guys, don't lie, okay? Is it good?
I'm gonna finish it right now.
I guess not. Well, I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or suggestions for the next video, please write them down below. See you next time.